What's up, guys, and how is everybody doing out there? I hope everybody is doing well. Guys, I have returned to the scene of the accident. I guess I can laugh about it now, but inside I'm crying. We are back up here at Cloud 9. We're going to fire up the new drone, and I'm going to show you what I didn't get to show you because the footage actually wound up in the ocean. But here we are, guys, Cloud 9. We're going to walk down the path. Here's a staging area here. It's high tide. Right now is high tide. It's peak high tide, so everybody is wanting to learn to surf. Everybody is getting their surf lessons. It's just the way it is. This is what people come here to Cloud 9 for. You know, they come surf. They come to enjoy this activity here that's offered. Here's the thing. This area, of course, is thriving during high tide. All right, high tide is when you want to come up here. It's like the whole island kind of. Oh, there's light. It's like the whole island revolves around it. Everything. All right. When you have high tide, yes, you can surf. All right. You can surf. Low tide is terrible for diving. Sonnet, she's got it. Girl finally stopped us. Get back to my train of thought. Low tide is when you can get up to the rock pools. Get up to the rock pools there and enjoy that. High tide, you can't get in there because it is underwater. A lot of your activities here depend on the ocean. Snorkeling. I've tried to go out in low tide, and well, that was a no-go. You can't. It's just too low, right? But yeah, we're up here right now. Here's another thing. Somebody asked me, when is rainy season? Good question. All right, rainy season. Actually, right now is rainy season. All right, we've had days where it rained day after day. Then we've had just sunny days. Like today's a beautiful sunny day. What did I learn? Actually asked Lut's brother. The height of the rainy season. The height of the rainy season is November, December. That is the height of the rainy season. All right, so next month starts the height of the rainy season. A man here's jamming out. A man is jamming out. I love that. You see that everywhere here, all along through here, just people jamming out at different restaurants, stuff. Rainy season, back to the rainy season. Like I said, I haven't been here for a whole season. Actually, next month will be 6 months I've been here. 6 months. Man, nobody stepped up to the plate that I wasn't going to move and wanted to bet me. Nobody stepped up to the plate and said I would be gone after 6 months. It's amazing. So yeah, there's your rainy season. Surfing. I looked this up. When is the peak of surfing? When is it? September, October. That's your peak surfing time. All right. That's your peak surfing time. This month, next month, there's an international surfing competition. This month? So that's your peak time. You know, if it's raining, you could surf, right? Like, if it's raining, you could scuba dive. But yeah, those were good questions people asked me. I'm learning this out. Here's another thing I'm learning about. All right. I see, and I sit back and I observe. That's my thing. I like doing that. Well, I did it for how many years in a prison? Sit back and observe. expats here, all right? Older expats, my age and older. Do you see them? Yes, you see them. Are they a dime a dozen? No, they are not a dime a dozen. You do see them. And they're with, they're with Filipinos, but they're not with baby Filipinos, as I call them, or Filipinas, as I call it, all right? Baby Filipino, what do I mean? 18, 19, 20, 22-year-old. With a old fart. What I mean, old fart, and I'll get there one day, so I'll call myself an old fart. Guy in his late 60s, 70s, when they walk down the road, they don't, they look like, grandpa walking his granddaughter, you know what I mean? I know that might upset some people, but I tell the truth. Not that cringe-worthy look you get from people. You don't see that here. You know what you see here, guys? There's a lot of... Hello. Oh, no, thank you. There's a lot of younger European women, blonde hair, blue eyes, tall, mid-20s to late 30s, all right? You see them with these young Filipino guys. You see that a lot here. That's definitely a selfie tree right there. You see that a lot. Good for the Filipinos, right? Good for them. Where am I at here? Time-wise, 6 minutes. I got to look at my timing here. But yes, you do see that. Just my observation. I mean, you guys see it in my videos as I walk around. Some of these women you see are on vacation. Some are living here. Digital nomads. Many reasons why they would be here. Hi, puppy. All right, puppy. All right, guys. We are coming up to the boardwalk that goes out to the observation pier. And that is where I dumped my drone out that way. I'm not a surf guy, but boy, the waves look. They look. Seen waves that heavy, Lut? Those are some big waves. Where you at, Lut? Those are some big waves out there, right? Yeah. Explains why it is, the proper time of the year to, we got selfie station. The proper time of the year coming to General Luna and Cloud 9. This is no. They must be getting ready to set up something for Christmas or the surfing competition. Those are huge out there. Guys, I've never seen them waves that big. Like I said, I'm not a big surfer guy, but those are some big waves. So anyways, this is the bridge that I crashed off of here. So, all right, guys, the video continues.
Who's the ruler of your life? Happiness.
All right, guys, so I think the Greg Brady curse is off, right? You guys remember Greg Brady, the Brady Bunch? You guys are my age, a lot of you guys. Remember the Brady Bunch? Remember when Greg Brady and the family went to Hawaii and they were surfing, or I forget the whole thing, and one of them somehow found a tiki idol and Greg wore it, then Greg went down while he was surfing. You guys remember that? You know what I'm talking about, you guys that are my age. Yeah, I think the Greg Brady's curse is off. Here's one for you. You know, who did you like the most in the Brady Bunch? All right. My favorite was Marcia, right? Marcia. Question is, would you? Yeah, that's enough. But man, I gotta tell you what, there was a dude up there with a DJI Mini 2. I met him, local guy, my age, nice guy. And man, he's obviously, his footage he was getting on his phone was amazing because I was watching him. And man, he was good using that thing. I'll get there. It's just right now I'm nervous. I'm nervous after the accident. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Now, like I said, we'll be here for a week. I mentioned this in my other video about my Facebook page, Philly in the Philippines Facebook page. Take the time to join. I'm putting stuff up there that I don't put up on YouTube. I was surprised how many people had said that they don't even use Facebook. But those that do, take the time and join my Philly in the Philippines Facebook page. So with that, we'll talk to you later.